Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. So Dream Zone Alambag and Hazratganj has came up with one another webinar which is about fashion illustration and concepts. So hello, my name is Nikita Singh and I am a fashion designer and I'm going to talk to you about the fashion illustration concepts. What kind of fashion illustrations are there? How you can make an effective fashion illustration and how you can include that in your portfolio. So I'll be covering the types of fashion illustration, the roles of fashion illustration for a fashion designer, and there are certain tips which will help you to make an effective fashion illustration. So let's before starting, I want to discuss what is fashion illustration. A fashion illustration consists of the figurative fashion drawing of a slightly elongated or exaggerated, idealized and stylized human figure, male or female, along with the clothes and accessories adorning it. So these fashion illustrations are made for advertising, promoting fashion makers, fashion boutiques and department stores. So basically fashion illustration is more of an expression of your inner self, an expression of how you look at something. It can be an style in itself. So it is basically a communication between designers, creative ideas, the designers' creative ideas and the people like their clients, designer bosses, the head designer, or maybe the customers or producers. So this is a communication bridge between your clients and designers. So, who is a fashion illustrator? So, a fashion illustrator is someone who creates drawings, sketches, and other works of art which pertain to the fashion industry. It can be your spec sheet, it can be your tech sheets, it can be your croquis related designs, it can be your flat sketches. So, anyone who does all these is called fashion illustration, and this is one of the career opportunities if you are a fashion designer, if your drawing skills are very good, your handmade sketches are very good, your digital sketches are very good, so you can also work as a fashion illustrator, and you can always pick this as a career option. So, important aspects of fashion sketches, which are basically your whenever you go for sketching, these are few points you should always take care of. Like main highlight should be your clothes. So always focus on your clothes. Always represent the texture and folds of fabric. Give all the directions of the garment like front view, side view and back view, so that it will have a better understanding for the people who are going to look into your designs. Now I'm going to cover about the types of fashion illustration. So there are different types of fashion illustration according to the demand, according to the need, and where our designer is working, how the client responds, or the type of illustration can help in the communication with others. For example, the first one is called the flat sketch. So it is basically a two-dimensional linear drawings. It will have all the design details you want to be included in the garments. The second one is called text sketch. So this is a flat sketch with details of the garment written in text. So basically your flat sketch was like just the 2D drawings. And when you give all the details like where the pocket will be, where the zipper will be, what is the size of the sleeve, what will be the size of your yoke. So all these details, collar details, each and every minute detail in the form of measurements come with your flat sketches is known as your text sketches. So this is mostly required in the industry, especially fashion industry. Then the second one is your specification sketch, which is also known as spec sheet. So they are more precise presentation of the garment with all the specification included on it, like the fabric used, trim used, how much it will cost to produce, etc. So all the type of fabric, the color of the fabric, what were the trims like the laces, belts, buckles, or anything else is used. So all those details are there in this sheet. So this is one of the most important kind of illustrations or concepts where you can represent your designs in more detailed way. The other is working drawing sketch. This is the drawing presented to the pattern maker with all the information needed for him to make the pattern pieces. So it can be a rough sketches also, design development also, where you just make the outlines and give the briefing of your designs. For example, if there is some piping, just make it and write it out, and some other detail, pocket detail, or there is some minute detail or anything or panel is there, so you can write it and just give it to the pattern master so that the person will understand it in a better way. So these are kind of a rough sketching. So presentation sketches, this is the final fashion drawings that a fashion designer makes to present to a client or a producer. So these sketches can be, for example, if you are making bridal wear for a person, for any female, just make a figure according to the clients, like the size of the clients only, so that it will give a better look how these designs will look on him if she is going to wear it. So it will be a visual representation. So that's very important whenever you are going or showcasing your designs to the clients. The next one is called the fashion croquis. So it is a drawing of a figure that can be used as a template over which you can trace and draw a design or garment. So it can be a stylized croquis also, which will all the features are not well defined, but the figures is there, elongated size are there, elongated legs, elongated hands, elongated hairstyles are there. So it can also be in that category also, and you can always make a normal size, regular size fashion croquis also and represent the garments on them. So these are the type of illustrations a designer can work on. The next one I'm going to cover is the importance of illustration in fashion industry. So for if you are a fashion designer, then this is one of the most important part for you, for your designs and for your career. So why you should go for fashion illustration is because it helps in visualizing the idea. So whenever you are stuck and you are not getting any idea, just go doodle, do the design development, rough sketches. So you can just mix match and come up with a new idea. It is the initial phase of fashion designing. So if you are a student of fashion designing, so illustrations can help you out in your designing and in your future also. So make sure you are doing well with the illustrations, be it hand illustrations or digital illustrations. It promotes and propagates an entirely new trend. So obviously when you go and design new prints on your illustrations, new collections, so obviously the people will start loving it, and obviously they want your designs in actual or in real outcome. So it is very important you represent each and everything and each and every part of the illustration very creatively. It also represents the creative skills of fashion designers. Obviously, it is the reflection of your design, personality, and creative skills. So whenever you are making any illustration, make sure it looks good and creative. No matter if it is very stylized, or it's very rough sketches or anything, but it should be creative, and the uh, final result which you want to showcase comes out from those illustrations. It helps in propelling new customers. Obviously, when you design something for a client, make sure you give them the options. For example, if there is a dress you got an order for, so just make two three options and showcase to the client. So the client will have something very special. The designer is working for me, this will help you to get more new customers, and that the customers will always be in touch with you, and whenever there is some occasion or something, they will come again and again to you and to your designs. So make sure you present them well with your illustrations. Then this was all about the fashion illustration and concepts. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to make an fashion illustration effective. So these are certain points. These are very small points, but you can always mix those style together and create a very effective and demanding designs for your customers. So the very first one is understand the anatomy. So this is the very basic stage for beginners to understand anatomy of the body for female, for male, how a person stands, what's the size, where the hands falls, where the bust is, where the hips will be. So all this will help you to make a effective illustration. Obviously, when you stylize them, you will have a better visual aesthetics. But before that, make sure you understand the anatomy so that you can give new designs and new poses and new styles in your illustrations. Stylize to optimize. So obviously stylize them. You can always add something new. You can always elongate the figure, and sometimes it can be detailed. Sometimes it doesn't need to be a detailed figure, fashion figure. It can be a random figure also, a stylized figure also. So it's just a representation, how you represent a certain design. Move with purpose. Obviously, work on the poses. For example, side view, back view, walking view. If there is some slit in your design, make sure the illustration is walking so the legs are visible. Or if you have some backless design, make sure the croquis is standing in such a way that the back is visible. So all these things create a dramatic view around your illustrations. So it attracts a lot of people, and your details can be visible easily. And use your composition to tell your story. Obviously, apart from illustrations, make sure you create a background also. You create a story also. For example, you are going for you are designing something for streetwear. So make sure you make a look of streetwear type of background, so that the clothing will go in that particular location. For cocktail party also, you can have a visual background, a very light shaded background, so that the design will complement the background, and that background can tell the story also. Differentiate between fabrics with textures. Obviously, there are different types of fabrics involved when you design. So always make sure you differentiate them, create that texture. For example, in this image, you can differentiate the denim and the leather part easily, because the texture has been created according to that only. So the leather jacket has its own size, shine. and texture, and denim have some other texture. So make sure you differentiate the fabric. So for the customers or for the clients, it is easy to understand what kind of fabrics you will be using. Make prints and patterns. If there are printed fabrics involved in your design, make sure the printed designs are there. The printed fabric is there. The floral print, animal print, or stripes, be it anything. So whatever you are going to design, or whatever the final outcome will be there, so make sure you design and illustrate that in your illustration. For example, if the horizontal lines are there, the diagonal lines are there, so make sure these prints are there in your illustration. Floral prints, other prints as well. Get your hair done. So it is one of the basic part for illustrations. You can always get your hair done, and you can stylize your hairs according to the look. For funky look, go for open hair. For elegant look, you can go for bun and some curled hairstyles. So it depends upon the overall look you are designing for. So this also helps to make a very interesting illustrations. Focus on accessories. So make sure you focus on the accessories as well. For example, bags, lockets, earrings, shoes, hats, glasses, so that this will give your illustration a better look in terms of overall designs. So creating that story. So all these small things improvise your illustrations. Render non-textile surfaces differently. For example, uh, your glasses are there, your whatever the glasses you are wearing, pearls you are wearing, or any kind of other material which are there in your illustration. Make sure you render them properly. Give the texture of the glasses if the glasses are there. For example, for pearls also, you can always put on these the pearl, create those pearls so that the fabric and the pearls can be differentiated easily. So, so this was all about the fashion illustration and its concepts, and we are coming up with other webinars as well. You can find this recording on the Facebook page of Dream Zone, Alambag and Hazratganj. You can always go back and watch these videos, so it will be there. And if you have any questions, you can contact me on nikita@sys.co.in. And thank you so much for your time. It was a great webinar. Thank you.